If your home's starting to look like a fur factory, it's time for an upgrade. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best cordless vacuums for pet hair in 2025, each carefully picked for powerful suction, smart features, and pet-friendly design. You'll find all the product links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Hype Tech Picks for the latest and greatest tech finds. All right, let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 1 is the Dyson Gen5 Detect, a fur-fighting juggernaut that's tough to beat. Its 5th-generation hyperdynamium motor pumps out 280 air watts of suction, obliterating pet hair on carpets, hardwood, or furniture like it's nothing. The intelligent suction adjusts power based on debris, saving battery while ensuring a deep clean. The hair screw tool is a lifesaver, detangling long fur without clogging, perfect for shedding pups or fluffy cats. With whole machine HEPA filtration, it traps 99.99% of particles as tiny as 0.3 microns, keeping allergens locked away. You get a 70-minute runtime, ideal for big homes or multi-pet chaos. Reviewers call it a deep cleaning beast, and I saw one in action at a friend's. It sucked up their lab's fur like a black hole. If you want cutting-edge tech and unstoppable power for a fur-free home, the Dyson Gen5 Detect is your ultimate weapon. Number 2's the Dyson V15 Detect, a fan favorite that makes cleaning feel like a sci-fi mission. Its laser dust detection is pure magic, shining a green laser on hard floors to reveal hidden pet hair and dust. Super satisfying to see it vanish. With 230 air watts of suction, it tackles fur on carpets and hard floors with ease. The motor bar cleaner head detangles hair as you go, preventing those annoying clogs that drive pet owners nuts. The HEPA filter traps 99.99% of allergens, keeping your air fresh. You get up to 60 minutes of runtime, perfect for whole home cleanups. Reviewers love its visible proof of clean, and I watched one at a pet store demo make a hairy rug look brand new. It comes with tools like a crevice attachment for tight spots. If you're obsessed with seeing your floors sparkle, the Dyson V15 Detect is your dream vacuum. At number 3, the Shark Stratos cordless is a pet owner's dream with insane suction and anti-hair wrap tech. Its self-cleaning brush roll stops hair from tangling, making it a must for long-haired pets like Persians or Goldens. Clean Sense IQ boosts power when it senses extra fur or dirt, ensuring nothing's left behind. The HEPA filter traps allergens, and the flexible wand lets you clean under furniture with ease. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, it's great for thorough sessions. Reviewers praise its Tangle-Free performance, and I've seen it at a friend's house. It made their dog's shedding look like a minor inconvenience. The pet multi-tool is clutch for upholstery, from couches to car seats. If you want a vacuum that's powerful, low maintenance, and ready for any pet hair challenge, the Shark Stratos cordless is a top contender. Coming in at number 4 is the Samsung Jet 90 Complete, a lightweight champ that doesn't skimp on power. At just over 6 pounds, it's easy to carry, perfect for stairs or quick cleanups without breaking a sweat. Its digital inverter motor delivers strong suction, sucking up pet hair from carpets to hard floors like a pro. The 5-layer filtration system captures 99.99% of dust and allergens, a big win for sneezy households. It includes a crevice tool and dusting brush for tackling pet beds or tight corners where fur loves to hide. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, it's versatile for most homes. Reviewers love its sleek design, and I saw one at a neighbor's. It zapped cat hair off a rug in seconds. If you're after a vacuum that's easy to maneuver but still packs a punch, the Samsung Jet 90 Complete is your vibe. Rounding out the list is the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro, a handheld hero for pet hair chaos. Don't let its compact size fool you. This vacuum delivers serious suction with cyclonic technology, lifting fur from upholstery, car seats, or stairs with ease. The anti-allergen complete seal traps dust and allergens, while the pet upholstery tool digs deep into fabrics to pull out embedded hair. At just 2.2 pounds, it's a breeze to store and use on the go. Its 10-minute runtime is best for spot cleaning, not whole home jobs, but it's perfect for quick fixes. Reviewers call it a pet hair lifesaver, and I used one to clean my car after my dog's shedding spree. It worked like magic. If you need a portable vacuum for pet hair emergencies, the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro is your go-to. Check the product links below and tackle those furry messes in a snap. And that's a wrap on our top 5 best cordless vacuums for pet hair in 2025. Got a favorite? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to know which vacuum stood out to you. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest and greatest tech finds.